In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sprint in Jira Cloud. Let's dive right in and set you on the path to efficiently managing your projects with sprints. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Scrum project within Jira Cloud. This is your home base where all your project work takes place. Once you're there, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see various options, but right now we're interested in the backlog option. Click that and it will open up the backlog area of your project. When you're inside the backlog section, direct your attention to the top of this section or possibly the far right of your screen. You're looking for a button labeled Create Sprint. Once you spot it, go ahead and click. This action will initiate the process to create a new sprint. Now that you've clicked to create a sprint, you'll see your existing backlog of issues. What you'll want to do here is drag and drop the issues that you want to include in this upcoming sprint. This part is crucial because these issues will define what you and your team will be focusing on. It's as simple as clicking them and dragging to the newly created sprint section. After you've got your issues lined up in the sprint, you're ready to get things rolling. Navigate over to the Start Sprint button. Clicking this will open a new pop-up box where you'll set up some critical details for your sprint. Let's go through these so you know exactly what to input. First off, you'll need to name your sprint. This is more than just a label. Choose a descriptive name that gives your team a clear understanding of the sprint's objective or time frame. Next, it's time to set the start date. Select the date that your sprint will kick off, keeping in mind your team's schedule and any deadlines you might have. Following that, choose an end date. This determines when the sprint should ideally be completed. If you have specific goals that you'd like to focus on during this sprint, such as improving a product feature or addressing customer feedback, you can add a sprint goal in the designated section. This step is optional but can be a great way to ensure focus and clear objectives for your team. Once all the information is filled out and you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to initiate your sprint. Simply click the Start Sprint button one final time. This action finalizes the creation of your sprint, setting your team in motion towards achieving the goals you've laid out. And there you have it, a new sprint ready to go in Jira Cloud. Using these steps, you can ensure your teams are organized, efficient, and working towards common goals. Thanks for joining me today on this tutorial. Happy sprinting.